Hi, this is Rashi. Today we are practicing Kapotasana, which is an advanced backbending pose. So, if you are a complete beginner, you must be good at the basic backbends like Dhanurasana, Ustrasana and Chakrasana first. Click on the eyeball button to know more about these poses. Before we start practicing Kapotasana, we will practice these two poses, Ustrasana to warm up the back and puppy pose with the blocks for shoulder opening. Come up on your knees, hands on the waist, knees and feet hip distance apart, push the pelvis forward, roll the shoulders backwards, lift the chest up, drop the head, take your hands on your heels and hold. Hold the position for a few breaths. Ustrasana. Hold your back and come out of the pose. The shoulder opening drill that we will do is, we will use two blocks. Place two blocks like this. Place your elbows on the blocks. Join your hands. Keep walking backward as far as you can go. Open the knees a little. Keep the elbows parallel to each other. Keep looking in the front and push your chest towards the floor. Keep pushing. You will feel the stretch on your shoulders. This is puppy pose with the blocks. It would help open your shoulders. Hold it for a few breaths and return, bringing the knees to the front and release. Now we will start with step 1 of learning Kapotasana. How can we start practicing Kapotasana when we are too scared to drop back from kneeling position? As complete beginners, we can start practicing Kapotasana from seated position. Come in Vajrasana. Take the feet back, knees apart. Now lie down on the mat. Take your hands by the sides of the shoulders, elbows pointing upwards. Lift yourself up, rest your head inside. Push the hips up, push the chest up. Take your head closer to your toes. Take your hands in and push more. Take your head inside. As close to your legs as possible. A little more. Keep pushing upwards and walk your hands and try and touch your toes. Try and push your elbows on the mat. Stay here, pushing the chest. Hold the position for a few breaths. Take your hands and relax. Holding your heels, come up in starting position. We will practice this wall supported drill before we learn how to drop back into Kapotasana. Come up on your knees. Hold your waist. Knees and feet hip distance apart. Push the pelvis forward. Roll the shoulders. Lift the chest up. Drop your head back. Take one hand on the wall, then the other. Do not drop on the wall. Stretch yourself to the front. Try and walk down if you can. Keeping the elbows straight, lifting the chest up, pushing the hips forward, and release, come back. This would help warm up your back and open your shoulders. Same way, hands on the waist, pelvis forward, rolled shoulders, drop your head, chest up, hands, join your hands on your chest and drop back lightly on the wall. Then come back. Again, breathe in and drop back. Come back. And return. Repeat this for a few times, but keeping the control towards your lower body. Same way, push your spine, lift the chest up, look back. Take your hands on your chest. Stretch your arms. Bend the arms and try and drop on the floor. And stretch. Try and stretch your arms. Stay here. Keep pushing yourself upwards. And come out of the pose. Now the final step is we will try and go into the full pose. Same way, come on your knees, push your chest forward, roll your shoulders, hands on the chest, bend your spine, stretch your arms, bend the elbows, try and land close to your feet. Walk your hands from the outside of the feet. Try and grab your heels. And slowly rest your elbows on the mat. Hold the position for 5 breaths. Lift up, push yourself up. This is Kapotasana B. Hold the position for 5 breaths. Push the floor and come up. And rest in child's pose. This drill will help you learn smooth and controlled drop back into Kapotasana. Come up on your knees. Knees and feet hip distance apart. Push your pelvis forward. Roll the shoulders backwards. Chest up. Drop your head till the time you can see the block. Hands on the chest. Stretch your arms. Try and grab this block. And come, keep it in the front. Same way, go again. Keep pushing your pelvis to the front. Do not fall back. If you want, you can move a little backwards. Go as far as you can. Maybe you will not be able to lift all the blocks at one time. Take it gradually. Go as far as you can. Keep practicing to get better at the drill. This is an advanced backbending pose, so don't rush in achieving it. Give yourself and your body the time it needs. Practice the pose at least twice a week and you will notice the progress yourself. Benefits of Kapotasana include: it improves the flexibility of your spine, promotes the functioning of the thyroid gland, boosts confidence, reduces stress and anxiety. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.